Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today is part 2 of the Beauty Revolution videos. The first video was all about the goodie bag, 1,000 Rand goodie bag. Make sure to check that out to see what's inside that goodie bag. Today I'm going to talk to you about the stuff that I got for free and also what I bought, and just share with you my experience at Beauty Revolution 2020 in Johannesburg, the masterclasses that I attended. But before we get into any of that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So I have a bag full of stuff, and I also got the bag free as well from the Perfect Tea. So I want to say thank you to the Perfect Tea and thank you to Taryn from the Perfect Tea. I did get this goodie bag, and inside the goodie bag I have a whole lot of stuff that I got for free as well. Let's get started. So I got some free stuff from Aunt Jackie, so I just want to say thank you to them as well. I did post a picture and then tag them and hashtag and stuff like that, and I did get a free t-shirt. I have a pink one as well. This is the blue Aunt Jackie's t-shirt. It's very nice, so thank you for that. Some other stuff I got from Aunt Jackie's. I also got a pencil case as well as some samples. I like the grapeseed collection, so this is the power wash as well as the rescued. I really like the rescued, which is the deep conditioner. Now let's see what else I got for free, and I'm gonna give a shout out to Girl Boss. Thank you so much. I got these really nice earrings, and I love what it says. It says Gold Digger, not Gold Digger. So thank you so much for these earrings. I absolutely love them. I also got 2 other products. I got the Curl Defining Butter from the Mango and Marula line. I really want to try this out. I will share it with you guys and hopefully do a video. And then I also got the deep conditioner from the Mango and Marula line as well. So I'm very happy with the 3 products that I got for free. Then from Birds and Bees, I did buy something from them, and then they gave me this for free as well. This is the Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. And then from Revlon, I got a lipstick. Okay, very nice High Shine lipstick. This is the High Shine Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And then the last thing here that I have is from Avroy Chalane, which is a really nice lipstick. I got this for free, and winter's coming up. This is an amazing burgundy deep wine color. And then I'm going to end off the free stuff with the Perfect Tea. As I said earlier, I got the bag, and then I also got 2 products from them, and I could choose any 2 products that I wanted. So I chose from the Mango and Marula line. I chose the Luscious Leave-In Conditioner. I'm a sucker for a good leave-in. And then I also took from the Grow on the Go line. This is the creamy conditioner, which can be used as, you know, like a deep conditioner as well. So I took these 2 things. I have videos on both, so if you're interested, it's a local brand. I've done videos on the Mango and Marula line as well as the Grow on the Go line. Check that out. Now I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and let's start off with some Korean skincare. I really like Korean skincare, so I bought it from the Glow Shop. I bought 4 sheet masks. I did use one already when I got home. I was so excited, and they were 25 Rand each, so I spent 100 Rand at the Glow Shop. I have these 3 left with me here, and as I said, I did use the one, and then they gave me a free one, so I got a free mask as well. All of this from the Glow Shop, so I spent, as I said earlier, 100 Rand on them. And then I just bought 2 more products. I didn't do a lot of shopping. From Birds and Bees, their lip balms are sought after. This was 100 Rand, and it's also tinted as well, so 100 Rand for this. I'm really excited to try it out. And then after attending the master classes, I really was influenced. So Revlon, you did a good job. I went over to the Revlon stand, and basically you kind of bought it through Foschini, if that makes any sense. This I paid 249 Rand for it. Very expensive, but I can't wait to try it out. It's like a glow primer, so you put it on before your foundation. And this is the Photo Ready Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer, and I'm also very excited to try this out as well. Guys, so that concludes, you know, just the shopping that I did and what I got for free. Now let's get into the experience and the master classes that I attended. From the first video, the ticket cost 950 Rand, and you could also attend master classes, which was something I was excited about. I didn't get to attend all the master classes. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I missed the first one and I missed the last one, but I did attend 3 other master classes, and I'm going to tell you which master classes I attended. I managed to attend the master class by MAC, and the artist was Marco. I also attended the Revlon one, and Mihlali, she was actually doing the masterclass. And after that, I also attended a masterclass by Candy Kane. She did use Revlon, but on the program it doesn't say that she was with Revlon, but she did use Revlon products. So as I said, I missed the first one. The first person or the first masterclass that I missed was Roshana, and then the last one I missed, which was more on like wigs and stuff like that, was from Candy & Co. But I did attend all 3 masterclasses back to back. My favorite was Marco. Marco was amazing. Not only was he really up to date with what's going on, especially on Instagram and trends and YouTubers and what they're doing, but his personality. Now, a masterclass for me, people have to bring it. You really got to show your personality and come out there and put on a show basically. And Marco, thumbs up for that. You were informative, you were engaging, you know, and personal as well. He shared a lot of personal stories, not in a bad way, but in a way that we could really relate. I thoroughly enjoyed his masterclass. After him, I stayed and attended the Miss Lali masterclass. Guys, she was late. There was a strict program because after her was Candy Kane. She came in late, which means she didn't have a lot of time. I felt that she didn't show a lot of personality. She did a very quick face application. Everyone was so excited to see her, but honestly it was very disappointing. I then stayed for the Candy Kane. Now, this is what I'm going to say about Candy Kane. She came prepared, and that was something that I appreciated as somebody who paid to come to masterclasses. She did an amazing eye look. That was her focal point. Her focal point wasn't just on showing us how to do a face, but how to do a smoky eye. She shared her trick. She went through it step by step, and then everything she did, you could tell like she really came. She was calm, she was nice. Not as good as Marco for me personally, but just her professionalism and just how ready and prepared she was something that stood out, and she did a great job. Over and above the masterclasses, I did go about the expo, amazing booths, amazing brands, the vibe. There was also like a panel talk that I attended at 5 o'clock, you know, with beauty disruptors, people in the industry making their mark. There were other different talks by Nike. Everything was just well organized. I enjoyed Beauty Revolution. I'll definitely go again. I was pleased. That's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you enjoyed my unbagging and not unboxing. Thank you for joining me, guys, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.